Watch this. You might have done something like this at school. Draw a simple square with a pen. Doesn't need to be accurate, just a rough square. And take a pencil and draw another square to the right of your first one and slightly higher. Doesn't matter if they overlap. Join the corners, and there you have a 3D cube. This also works for a circle. It's not easy to draw a circle freehand, but there we go. Back to the beginning. Not bad. And then this time I'm going to go a bit to the left and slightly down on my original circle. There it is. And again, join the top, join the bottom, sides, and there you have a 3D cylinder. Now, the truth is, this works for almost any shape, and it's a great technique to use when drawing 3D block lettering. Watch this. I'm going to draw a T. Here's the top of the T. It's just a block T. I'll take a T there. And with a pencil, I'm going to go slightly to the right, slightly higher, and again, overlapping. Doesn't have to overlap. Can be a bit further away. And I'm going to join these corners, bottom corners there, insides there, and the bottom here. And there it is, a block T. Now, when you've got it to this stage, you can rub out all of the pencil lines once you've actually gone over the outside lines in pen. There it is. Just put the outside lines in. You don't have to rub out the lines, you can always just colour over them. And this works better if you've got a darker pen. I'm going to use this lighter orange colour just so you can see the original lines in there, see what they've done. And for the side and the top edge, just use a different colour. Again, if you use a darker colour, it makes it look like a shadow on the side of your letter. And there it is. A block letter. Of course, there is another way that you can do block lettering, using one of these. I call this my 2-in-1 pen. What I've done is I've sellotaped a pencil and a pen together, and you just draw with the both of them, making sure both tips are touching the paper at the same time. So here we go. Because it's most important that the pen touches the paper. So I'm actually drawing with the pen. The pencil is drawing itself. There it is. And go over the pencil lines with another pen. Just join up these edges. Down there, across there, down the bottom there. And then this edge. As you can just see the top of the T along there. So join that up. And there it is. And when you've done all the outside lines, just colour it in however you like. 3D lettering. It looks brilliant when you put words together for posters. And brilliant when you do it on greetings cards.
Yum ba bum 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 bum. It's always nice when you get a really special card on your birthday. Bum ba bum 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 bum. It is my birthday today. Yeah, honest. Look, I got a card from my mum. Bum ba bum 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 bum.